from Durban, South Africa, 20 years old. I got started off with the network marketing industry about 2.5 years ago when I was 18 years old, and this is one of the questions that I always get asked at every training that I actually do and wherever I go and at every international conference. I get asked, how do you invite people in an elevator? How do you invite people when you're sitting next to them in a plane? Very simple, guys. You got to be natural. You don't want to be the person that is hounding on someone. You don't want to get your network marketing fangs out and actually approach them. You want to basically get to know the individual, because you see, here's the thing. Why do people sign up? People sign up because they like you and they trust you. People don't sign up because of any other reason. So this is what I really do when I'm sitting next to someone. I'll probably sit next to them. I'll probably get to know them a bit. I mean, where are you from? What do you do for a living? What line of business are you in? I mean, where you're traveling to. Get to know the individual. Get to know more about them. You see, people like it when you ask them questions about themselves. Somewhere down the line in the question, they're going to ask you questions too. And this is probably what's going to pop up. They're going to ask you, hey, what do you do for a living? Now, there's various ways to actually peak the experience. What I usually do is
It's Sashin Govender right now making this video live from one of my favorite cities around the world, Cape Town, South Africa. If you ever get the opportunity to come out to Cape Town, definitely come out to Table Mountain, grab a few pictures. But here's the deal. Why am I making this video from this exact spot? I'll tell you why. Because one of my biggest organizations and teams have come out of Cape Town. And I'll tell you why, because of a very simple elevator pitch. In 2015, I made a video called the elevator pitch. It's going to be up here. The link will be up here. Make sure you watch that. But real quickly, I'm making an updated version of this video. Okay, one of my organizations in Cape Town has grown to over 9,000 plus people, just in a very short period of time of 2.5 years. I just want to let you guys know, if you're in network marketing right now, and if let's just say you've run out of your warm market, okay, cold market is your next solution. There is more people in life that you don't know than the people you actually do know, okay? I've personally enrolled 600 customers which have grown to an organization of way over 20,000 people, okay? But out of the 600, literally 590 odd came from me knowing no one. Okay, those 590 people, I've never met them in my life before. I'm going to teach you a elevator pitch right now that you can use when you're sitting next to someone in a plane, and I realize my flight's 5 hours, 10 hours, 15 hours, the person next to me, they can never leave their seat. They've got to sit next to me for the next few hours, look me in the face, and I will enroll them as a customer with my company. That's my attitude. Okay, I've got this attitude of I will get you started off. You will go into the system. Okay, so elevator pitch, you can use this with someone you've never met before. You can use this with someone in a plane, in a lift, in an elevator, at a restaurant, anywhere around the world, even on social media. Okay, I've got a guy in my organization. I've never met him before. Reached out to me on social media. In fact, I've reached out to people in social media and I've used this one line. And this key line has made me millions of dollars, but most importantly, grown an organization of several thousands of people. Okay? One line. If you could use it today, I promise you, it'll change your life. Now, don't just throw this line into every conversation. Build up the conversation. Get to know your friend. Get to know the person you're about to become a friend with. Okay? Get to know them. Ask them questions. People love it when you ask them questions about them. Remember this. People don't care about how much you know until they know how much you care. I'm going to repeat this. People don't care about how much you know until they know how much you care. One line that'll change it all for me, okay? Do you keep your income options open? I've never heard anyone say, I don't keep my income options open. Do you keep your income options open? The answer is yes. It's a buying question. It's asking a question you already know the answer to. Okay, if you're next to someone in a lift, get to know them. You got like 30, 60 seconds before the elevator goes up to the first, second, third, fourth, etc. floor. Ask them the question, do you keep your income options open? And then exchange social media contacts, or maybe a contact, information. I don't really like giving my contact info out, and I know people don't like giving it to me. Why? Because they don't know me. I'm a stranger. They don't know my success in the industry. But on social media, they can't hide. It's a constant follow-up. They constantly got to see what you're doing. They constantly got to follow everything. It's only a matter of time before you put them in the funnel and the system spits them out as a person in your organization. Do you keep your income options open? I'll say to everyone, My organization has grown from 600 personal enrollments because of that little tagline that piques their interest, to going out there and growing an organization of several thousands of people. Now, if they ask you what is it, this is what you need to say. You told me you're open to earning an extra income. You told me you're open to changing your life. You told me you're open to, and always use that line, open to, because it's open-minded. Remember, people are either skeptical and broke or successful and open-minded. You can't be skeptical and wealthy. You can't be, skeptical and rich. It's either skeptical and broke or open-minded and successful. You're looking for the right type of person. Okay, now here's the deal. You're not always going to enroll every one of these people that says, man, yes, give me your number, because there's objections like, I don't have the time, or I don't have the money, or I need to show this to my significant other, or I need to think about it, or I need to do my research, or whatever it is. Those are objections, are constant. They say the same in no matter what network marketing company you're a part of. Do you keep your income options open? At a very young age, at 20 years old, I made this video, the elevator pitch, in 2015. Watch that video. I promise you right now. In fact, we're going to put some snippets of that video and highlights of that video into this video, and I'll let you guys know. My approach has never changed in the past, 3 years. In fact, 4 years. My approach has never changed. It's been consistent and persistent, always hungry. If anyone can talk and anyone can breathe, I'm going to enroll you. That's my attitude. That needs to be your attitude. There's 7.3 billion people around the world. Do you keep your income options open? You can enroll them. If you love what you see, share this with your organization. If this has changed your life, post a comment below. If it's grown your organization, post a comment below. Follow me on social media, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and most important, I can't wait to meet you around the world so you can tell me how the elevator pitch has radically changed your business. God bless.
Don't ever tell them what's it about. Why? Because you want to create curiosity. Secondly, I would never call them the next day and say, hey, this, that, whatever. I would basically create the relationship, text them. Maybe a good point is even add them on Facebook, because when you add them on Facebook, they see your lifestyle every day. When they see your lifestyle, they will come out and ask you. Very simple to sign up someone, guys. Exactly like that, I've managed to sign up 112 people in the past 32 months of me being in network marketing. I actually signed up 2 people today thanks to that method and thanks to social media once again.